every energy number connects in with transformational principles. I'm going to teach for each energy number how to use them in your life and to make sure your meditation becomes stronger and has a greater impact in your life for your success and your wisdom. Energy number 1 is called the Wealth Creator. The Wealth Creator has a sole purpose here to create systems of wealth and abundance. Abundance within yourself and also how to share and to create abundance in the world. But in order to do that, energy number 1 has to learn to forgive. To learn to forgive anything that is really holding you on or limiting yourself about abundance. So all the mistakes you made about money, about abundance, about business, to learn to forgive that and to release it. Not just in yourself. There can be situations from your past or even from your ancestors or from your country that are still holding you from being abundant. So it's time to forgive and to release your past and to create a future that there's not just abundance for yourself, but for all of humanity. And one of your greatest soul lessons is to focus on clarity, to be clear of mind, clear of heart, to act with clarity and to support others to bring clarity in their life. When you're energy number 2 or you're energy number 5 and you're a man, you are called the teacher. You are here to share information and wisdom. First you will gather it, you will go to many classes and teachings, but then there will come a point that your soul wants to share what you know and what you have practiced. And the transformational principles and lessons you're learning in this life about success is to listen to your wisdom, to go beyond your ego and connect in with your soul and follow your soul purpose. Also to be more compassionate with yourself and with others. To not only listen to your self-judgments and your limitations, but to be compassionate with your own mistakes. And definitely to allow compassion with the people you work with. And also to allow compassion to direct you when you work with other people for success. And then it is definitely important for you to become emotionally peaceful when you work in your business or on your career. Don't go to the ups and downs. Stay emotionally focused in peace and harmony. And also, sometimes you're a little bit too hard on yourself. And you need to learn to be more tender and have loving, tender care for others. Now, working together in collaboration with others, not just meditating and praying by yourself, but being part of a community is a very powerful aspect for you to gain more wisdom and evolve on your spiritual path. When you have energy number 3, you're called the bringer of light. And you are here to create a huge difference in people's life with making sure they're more confident, they have more self-esteem, and they believe more in their inner light. And the transformation principles and lessons you're learning is first of all to be in balance. Whenever there's conflict or drama around you, to stay in a point of balance. Because then you'll be able to share the light and to activate the light within each one of the people around you. You're also here to be passionate about success and to make sure others are passionate about their purpose in their life. And finally, your greatest lesson about success is to celebrate when you are successful. To just accept, I have reached a point of success, I can celebrate this. I can be grateful for this. I can share it with the world. Don't keep your success to yourself. because this way you will impact more people when you celebrate. And one of the greatest lessons is to be truthful, is to be honest with yourself and help others to be honest on their spiritual path. The energy number 4 are called the managers. And to enhance your success, you need to activate your success direction north. Your major colors for success are royal blue, cobalt blue, and aqua blue. Your soul lessons for success are to really accept that you can become a very successful, powerful person. That success is part of your inner power, and that you're very able to help others to create success. Being successful is not just directing yourself towards success, you also want to empower and encourage other people. So coaching people towards success is a very powerful aspect of your life. Stay clear and have clarity on the directions you want to go. When you have an idea and it's clear in your mind, keep focusing on it and manifest it through your personal clarity. For you, it is important to really learn how to work with money to enhance your wisdom and your spiritual growth. To learn about the spiritual laws of abundance. And in order to do that, it is necessary for you to let go of anything you have as limited beliefs about money, and to forgive yourself about this, and to forgive yourself for any limitations you have put on yourself. So learn what money is really about. Learn about the frequencies. Learn how to create money in the world to impact humanity. When you're energy number 5 and you're a man, you have the same soul lessons as energy number 2. When you have energy number 5 and you're a woman, you have the same soul lessons as energy number 8. You are energy number 6 and you are called the creator. To enhance your success, it is important for you to focus towards the west because that's your success direction. You are here to use your creativity to make your success happen, or to surround yourself with very creative people. Your soul lessons about success is, first of all, you need to stay pure towards yourself. You need to have a very clear idea of what you want to manifest. The more pure your idea is, the more clarity you have about that idea, the stronger your success will be. Also, along your journey to success, you need to stay pure towards your intentions and your vision. Another lesson you need to learn is to be transparent. Not only transparent towards yourself to see what works and what doesn't work, but also to be able to communicate your vision and mission and values transparent to the people that work with you on your path. And along the way towards your success, have fun, have joy. Make sure it is not a path towards success that is serious and heavy. Make sure you have fun and joy, and then your success will be really worth it. You need to learn to have faith in the messages and the information that comes within you when you meditate or pray. When you're energy number 7, you're called the advisor. Your success direction is northwest. You're very good in helping people to attain success through your advice. But also you need to listen to the advisors around you to be more successful. You need to have more faith in your success, faith in your business, faith in your products and your services. Even if people criticize, you still need to really be focused and have faith. Make sure you use the latest transformational techniques and information to attain more success. And focus on the magnificence of your products and your services. And magnify your success with giving back to the community. When you're energy number 8, or you're a woman and have energy number 5, you're called the connector. You are so good in connecting the dots and to connect with people. Your transformation principles and soul lessons are all about love. Speak about love. Have loving relationships. Share about people how much you love your products and services. Have tender care for whatever you bring in the world. Don't be harsh. Don't be hard in your messages. Tenderness will create more success for you. And for sure, have a team around you. Work in collaboration. Don't walk your path towards success alone. Your soul lessons for energy number 8 and for women that have energy number 5 is first of all to completely learn to be in sync with their inner wisdom, to listen to their intuition in every aspect of their life, to learn to be compassionate and not so hard towards themselves when they receive an intuition and they're not sure about it. Trust it. And also, always make sure there is harmony and peace around you. Take time for retreats. Take time for silence. Energy number 9 is called the healer. You are here to heal, and your success is the greatest when you allow healing to happen in your business. Perhaps your business is about healing others, but it can also be that you're here to support through your products and services to heal whatever aspect in the life of someone or in companies. So your greatest transformational principle is healing. So when you feel you are stuck in your process of being successful, connect with healers and take time to heal so you become better in your success. Be honest when things don't work. When you feel you're blocked, tell others and be open for positive communication and feedback. And also focus on your success. And focus in a positive way, with elegancy and beauty. So in order to be connected with your soul and receive your intuition, you have to have a balanced community and environment around you. Also, you need to be passionate about what you receive as information. Be passionate about your spiritual practice. And celebrate when you attain the next level in your spiritual growth. Share with the tribe your energy number and also any shift and any insight you might have about your success and wisdom. And perhaps a step that you have taken to change the energy. Or also which transformation principle really related with you and that you know you need to work on.